So there are two ways to arrange the third layer. So the first layer I just have explained, and let's see about the ABC type of packing. So ABC type of packing, in that the third layer may be placed over the second layer in such a way that all the spheres of the third layer will fit into the octahedral void. So here in the first type, it fit into the way you arrange, it fit into the tetrahedral void of the second layer. But here the third layer, when you arrange, it fit into the octahedral void formed in the layer. So let's see what is that octahedral void. I just mentioned by drawing the diagram. The same way we can see this model too. So down there is first layer, and up there I have arranged the second layer. This is the second layer. When I arrange the second layer, you can find it. Down I can show you 1, 2, 3 spheres. Above that, when I fill the depression of the tetrahedral void of the first layer, the second layer form this 3 atom. Between this, the second layer 3 atom, and the down layer 3 atom, there is one void which is formed, is called as the octahedral void. This void is formed because in the second layer we are filling the x voids, but there is the y void is left free. So that y void partially covered by the second layer, these spheres. When these spheres are about to fill the tetrahedral void of the first layer, it is partially fill, this is the y void, partially fill the y voids. So when it fill, it is not completely filling. So that vacancy is called as the octahedral void. 3 from the lower sphere and 3 from the upper sphere. This is called as the octahedral void. When I arrange the ABC type packing, where the atom or ion or a sphere will fit into the octahedral void. So this is called to be the third layer, which is said to be the C type of packing. So this is called to be A type of packing, this is called to be the B type of packing, and this is called to be the C type of packing. So in ABC arrangement, that is cubic close packing, the atoms are arranged maximum to cover the voids. Like A type of packing is AB type of packing, and B type is just to fill the tetrahedral void of the A type of packing, and this C is going to fill the octahedral void of the void formed by the A layer, and the B layer was covered by the C layer. So this is the closest packing. So now let's see what is the coordination number of this packing, hexagonal cubic close packing, as well as the cubic close packing. Hexagonal close packing as well as cubic close packing. Both the coordination number is said to be 12. So let's see how this coordination number is going to be 12. So you can see this. So first layer is arranged by AB type. That is nothing but small a we just mentioned. So I am going to take this atom AB packing. This is A, and B will come and fit into the depression of that. So this is B. Again there is A. Okay, just below that, this is A. So A, B like it repeat. So when I consider the first layer, I am taking this atom alone. This is in touch with 6 other atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in its own layer, it is in contact with the 6 other sphere. But when I keep other 2 more sphere, which covers the tetrahedral void, I am going to keep 1 more sphere which covers the tetrahedral void. When it covers the tetrahedral void, you can see that the atom which is here in the first layer, that is this atom, this atom will be in touch with the 3 more atom in the second layer. This green atom is in touch with this atom and this atom. So the second layer, 3 atom is in touch with the middle layer. If I repeat the same down under this layer, like under this layer, if I keep 1 more layer, that atom will be in touch with 3 more atoms. So as a whole, 6 in its own layer, 3 in the upper layer and 3 in the lower layer. Its coordination number is said to be 12. both in the hexagonal close packing as well as in the cubic close packing. The coordination number is said to be 12.